girls, what are you up to today? Not much going on here. Just sitting around my studio at home, missing my studio at camp, feeling like I needed a little bit of team spirit. So, what do you do when you need a little team spirit? I just completely deck myself out in team clothes and sit around my house thinking about how much I love camp. But I suppose there are other options as well. Maybe we could try an art activity that helps us remember all the fun things we do with our teams while we're at camp. Let me walk you through one. This one's a classic. We've done this in the shop for years. We'll do some team clothes fashion design. So, what we will do is take a pre-existing template, and I've attached a file for a really good one in case anybody wants to use that. And you can either lay a piece of paper over that, or you can trace the template and then draw on top of what you traced. So what you want to think about first is what kind of vibe you want to do. You'll see in my sailor outfit, I went for kind of a little classic glam sailor look. And then we jumped over to the Tiger Team onesie and got a little bit more classic, tiger look. So you could use any supply you want for this. That could be any markers or colored pencils you've got laying around, or you could do something fun like add in cut paper or collage if your parents have any magazines or things like catalogs, things that they don't want to use anymore. You can always find cool fashiony patterns and things in there that you want to add in, glue and paste. Really the only limit's the imagination. So you can see that I also went on to the Cubs and went with sort of a fluffy tutu thing. You guys know the fashion part way better than I do. So whatever you can think of, it's cool to add it. Capes, fishnets, hey, even illegal boas are okay in this activity. Wigs, hats, boots, fishnets, you name it, you add it. So then on the last one, you can see that I went with the classic climber kind of superhero thing that they do. So, capes are good there. So with this sort of like basic idea, you can bring camp spirit right into your own house on a boring day when you wish you were doing something else, period. All right, girls, have fun. Make sure you send back to camp what you make so we can post it. Thanks. I miss you. See you soon.